Check that out. What we got here to 2021 media. And we don't want that power bill getting high. Ugh. Well, I bet. Knobs does not turn. Okay. Okay, we'll leave that on 7. And that adjust. This adjust. Hey, co. Okay, I'm gonna put on cool. Oh, yes. Okay, low cool. I put on high. Oh, nice cold. Let me go outside and check. Alrighty. Let me go outside and check. Yeah. Let me check. Okay. Okay. Making photography. Yeah, my mom told me to bring the screen in. Making a video on YouTube. There's I don't know what I'm calling, 1,000 BTUs. Here's the compressor. Okay, and here's the, I don't know what it's called, and I don't remember. It's got the motor. Yeah, I gotta. So my manager wouldn't hate this, but yes, I'm gonna have to bring the screen into this house. Gotta make sure. Yep, getting harder. Yep.
Now we got a screen.
Yeah, my mom told me to bring the screen in. You, gotta keep my room cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay.
Okay, Leland.
Bye.